You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say happy birthday in German, as well as how to say more German vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Zum Geburtstag Viel Glück. As the song goes, Zum Geburtstag Viel Glück, Zum Geburtstag Viel Glück. And that's it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.